Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Promise. You can call me 777 or Promise, which I'm very comfortable with. And yeah, I'm currently editing the video that you're watching right now. I know it's weird, but whatever. And I just wanted to let you all know that first of all, the clip. Sorry, it's like night time and I don't want to wake up my brother. So like the clip of me after this, because it's this and then the intro and then the clip I'm talking about is gonna say it's ending to a it's an ending to a whatever to a video. Yeah, that's because was supposed to be an ending to a video I was supposed to post, but then I kind of lost the footage of it, so we are here now. But I think I'll explain in the video that I'm gonna post tomorrow, right? And by tomorrow, I mean Monday, because today is Saturday. I mean Monday. Okay, so I'm posting on Sunday, which is today, for those who are watching it the day I posted. And then I'm going to post another video tomorrow, which kind of has like a brief explanation of not really of what happened, but like of me losing the footage, whatever. So yeah, so that video I could save. I mean, the other footage, like now it's now if I tried finding it, right, and I found it be a lot to edit, so I decided to just leave it, get that video that was supposed to be like the last clip of the video I was supposed to post, and it's now, yeah, you all get it. So it's gonna say, because I'm gonna say, oh, it's like an end of whatever, but it's basically the morning of when we were going on the plane, right? So yeah, just wanted to let you know that. And also all the clips, all those clips, we were in the plane, it's a bit jumbled up, okay? Because I might be like, oh, I'm checking the progress of our trip. Next thing you see food. So if you find that confusing, just know it's also confusing for me too. I cannot remember, and my clips are just like, even on like my gallery and whatever, like they're not in the right order. So I try my best, to the best of my memory, to kind of move them around a bit. But if they don't make sense, now you know why they don't make sense. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hope y'all will have a lovely Christmas Eve. Now let's get to the video. Hi guys, it is the 20 what? It is the 2nd of December. We're going to Kenya today. I just wanted to, this is kind of more of an end off video to my week video. Just wanted to let you know that the flight got delayed and we're leaving. The flight moved from 7:45 to 11:45, so like a 4-hour delay. So yeah, we're supposed to be in the airport by now. We're going to take the 7:45 plane, but like we can't. But it's okay. I actually only finished packing like when I woke up at 3. And then I finished packing and stuff. I do. I'm not sure if I should stay with this t-shirt. I feel like I'm gonna wear another jersey and stuff. But yeah, out to come. See y'all in the next video. How do you feel? That's all.
Good.
Hi, mommy.
Did you pack the envelope?
Yeah. See.
Ona movia kama
It's this one. Okay. They're leaving me. You still want to?
Yeah.
I'm excited, but I'm scared.
You're scared for what? It does look so
So we're finally about to check in. Since my mom is coming with us, right? We have to have an adult to check in with us, or else my mom will have to pay for my brother $100, and that's 1.8. That's a lot of money. So we have to check in. We have to check in with an adult, so we have to wait for the adult that's coming that's going to go with us. Um, and then yeah, I found out that I'm getting a window seat, and like the whole row is like just make myself. So like that's nice. I think I'm gonna use the bathroom now, cause it's yeah, I'm gonna use the bathroom now, and then yeah, see you on the plane, maybe. Hey. Oh. Okay. We're going. Okay. You're pulling my hair. Sorry. You? So long actually. Huh?
It's longer than London.
Of course it's longer than the blue lanes. So, it's huge.
You have this.
Yeah, I can sit in my passport. We're in the bus now. And I just waiting for walking to board. And then we're going to go to the aeroplane now. Yeah.
I think we must wait for him.
Okay. Where is he? Oh, there he is. We're finally in the airplane after so long. Finally in the airplane. And I have the whole row to myself. I think I hope I have the whole row to myself. Honestly, better.
If you haven't already placed your bags in the overhead bin, you should place them under the seat in front of you.
So I'm currently editing a YouTube video. My voice is loud enough. So I'm gonna Since this is basically the last clip of the video, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of our trip to Kenya, and I hope you all will enjoy part 2 as well. See y'all in the next video. Bye.